this is yet another seedling update video, and this one is all about the alliums, so all the onions, the leeks, the garlics, etc. Let's take a look round. So let's take a look at the alliums. So this is one of the outdoor beds of I think these are Japanese overwintered onions, and you can see these are thickening up really quite nicely now, and you know they're going to be ready for harvest in May. And we've still got loads of red onions in the store though, so we're not in too much of a rush really. And we just swap over to this side, and I've now got all of my onions grown from seed in the ground, and they're all interplanted with various things. So this one is interplanted with radish, this one is interplanted with parsnips, these red onions are interplanted with field beans, which are just finishing now. And then this is the main early onion bed, so these are the ones we'll be harvesting in July. Everywhere we look there's garlic interplanted everywhere, so there's some for harvesting green, some for leaving to mature, but got lots interplanted as well, including into the strawberry bed. And that's all looking quite nice too. Here's all the leeks, all ready to go out in May and June. Looking okay. I always multi-sow my leeks because we prefer large quantities of small leeks rather than small quantities of large leeks. We've got loads of leeks in the fridge, but we've also just got these baby leeks still waiting to harvest. And yeah, then we're just onto a leek alternative like green garlic or elephant garlic. And there's some of the green garlic. We've got loads more. Here's my last succession of salad onions. I'll get some more sown soon. But most of my salad onions are now interplanted into the lettuce beds in the back garden, and they're all looking really nice. I love lettuce interplanted with onions, just such a nice contrast of shapes and colours. I do have a few dedicated salad onion beds. The Coke cans are just to keep the cats and the birds off. This one is interplanted with parsnips, and you can just see them just coming up now. Pretty good germination. And next to those there's some more garlic interplanted with lettuce, and next to that some lettuce interplanted with more salad onions and lots of Coke cans. And I've got all of my elephant garlic is interplanted into this perpetual strawberry bed. It's all coming on quite nicely. Some of it will be harvested for leeks, and some of it will be left to harvest for bulbs. Hope you like this quick seedling update video. My name's Steve, this is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel. If you want more details about the way that I grow, take a look down below, and there's links to my ebook. Covers everything that I've been talking about. See you soon.